Okay, so level 5. Here we go. So here I can see the 4 there and the 2 there. So I can divide both sides by 2 to have the 2x minus 3 equals x plus 1. So I've just divided both sides by 2. Now I need to expand the left-hand side. So 2x minus 6 equals x plus 1. Okay, now I need to get the x's on the left-hand side and the numbers on the right-hand side. So 2x minus x equals 1 plus 6. So the plus x on this side became minus x on the other side, and the minus x on this side became plus x on this side. Simplify. X equals 7, because 2x minus x, 2x minus 1x is x, and 1 plus 6 is 7. So let's do that. Scroll down, click it twice, and then the check again should follow me up. Okay, so this next one, again I noticed the 4 here and the 2 there, so I might as well make my math easier by dividing both sides by 2. So I'll have 2x plus 1, and that's equal to x plus 5. Now I need to expand, so 2x plus 2 equals x plus 5. And now I need to get the x's on the left-hand side. 2x minus x equals the numbers on the right side. 5 minus 2. So the plus x became minus x on the other side of the equal side. And the plus 2 became minus 2 on each side. 2x minus x is x. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So we've got the 3 and check again. Here we go. So here we can see nothing easy to divide, so we're just going to expand both sides. 4x minus 8 equals 7x minus 75 to 35. Getting the x's on the left-hand side, 4x minus 7x equals, numbers on the right-hand side, minus 35 plus 8. So the plus 7x became minus 7x on the other side, and the minus 8 became plus 8 on the other side. So 4x minus 7x is minus 3x, and minus 35 plus 8 is going to be minus 27, and so x is going to equal 939 to 27, so negative 3 times 12. Well, negative, we could actually put x equals negative, x equals negative 27 divided by negative 3, so x equals 9. Okay, so let's check that. Don't make a silly mistake, that's good. And this one here, I'm going to this time expand it, even though I could divide the whole thing by 2, just to show you. So we've got 8y plus 4 equals 6y plus 10. So 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2, 8, that's okay. Y is on the left-hand side, 8y minus 6y, numbers on the right-hand side, 10 minus 4. What happened there? Plus 6y. Taking 6y off both sides, that disappears, it comes here. Taking 4 off both sides, we are there. And 8y minus 6y is 2y, and 10 minus 4 is 6. And so y equals 6 divided by 2, so y equals 3. And we check again. Okay, so that gives you an idea of how to do those ones.